Would you believe if I tell you that this small root ginger will cure and combat COVID-19? Okay, this small root of ginger has a very strong inflammatory and can combat cold viruses and inflammation, and can boost rapidly your immune system. So I'll teach you how to make a ginger tea out of this. So take note, you only buy a small root like this. There's two type of ginger roots. The other one is big, and the other one is small. So you choose this small root, and it should be organic, okay, and raw. All right. So you cut the ginger root as small as like this, and before you cut it, you have to wash it thoroughly. You don't need to peel it, just wash it with warm water. Okay, and I already did wash it. And you cut that ginger very thin, just like this. And then I have this kind of one to pound the ginger, just to make it juicier. So you pound it. Let's see. So you pound it just like this, okay? Alright. So this small root, after you slice and pound like this, you put that in a pot with 2 cup or mug as big as like that one. 2 cups of water of that one. And then you boil it. After you boil it, after boiling for 7 to 10 minutes, simmer it there for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour while watching TV. And then enjoy your ginger. Just simple as that.